Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be all about the must-have products that every beginner should carry with themselves. So if you are a beginner and want to do some makeup, you are office going, college going and just starting with the makeup, then this video is going to definitely help you. All the products that I'll be showing you in this video are completely my personal favorites, and I have been using them since a very long time. So if you are a beginner and looking some of the best products, and that too in a complete budget, then this video is definitely for you. So one of the most important thing is to have a moisturizer. I've been using this moisturizer since a very long time. It's from the Skin Story body lotion, and it works really amazing. So if you are looking some of the best lotions, then you should definitely check out on this one. Also, you can see check out the lotion that Nivea. It also available in different sizes. So if you are looking for some of the moisturizing creams, you can definitely see out on this one. Both of them I've been using, and I have been very impressed with both of the lotions and moisturizers. So if you want some of the lotions and moisturizers, you should definitely check out on these. The second product that I'll be showing you is the most important thing. It's a primer. I have been using this from Insights Cosmetics. It's a completely gel based primer. It's here, as you can see, it's completely a gel based primer. It's completely oil free, and it gives you great results. So if you are looking for some of the budget friendly primers, and if you are a beginner, then you should definitely check out on this product. I have been using this product since a very long time, and I'm very happy with the results. It's completely budget friendly. I'll attach the prices over here, so you should definitely check them out. और अगर अभी तक आप primer नहीं लगाते थे, then you should definitely invest in a good primer. Primer really enhances your makeup and makes it look very long lasting. So start applying primers. Second thing, when we start the makeup, we require a good foundation. When I started applying makeup, I started with a BB cream. I started with this Pond's BB cream. It gives you a great finishing. It's very lightweight, and मैंने यहीं से start किया था अपना makeup from BB cream. So if you want to start from a BB cream, you can try out this one. And if you are looking for some great foundations, then you should definitely try out on this Maybelline. It works amazing. It's completely matte plus poreless foundation, and I have been using this since for a very long time, and I'm very happy with the results. So if you're looking some of the best foundations and at beginner level, you should definitely check this out foundation. And if you're looking some of the BB creams, then you should look at this one. Both works amazing, and I have given you both the options, so you can definitely see out as per your requirements. So the another product that I'll talk about is a concealer. It's a Maybelline based concealer, and I'm very happy with the product. I have been using this concealer since a very long time, and I'm very happy with the results. So if you're looking some of the best concealers, then you should definitely check out on this one, Maybelline. मैंने इस प्रोडक्ट की अपने पिछली वीडियो में भी बात की थी. If you haven't seen that video, I'll attach the button in the I button, so you should definitely check this out. Also, the another option is to use the Swiss Beauty concealer. Swiss Beauty concealer is more budget friendly as compared to the Maybelline one, so you can definitely check them as per your requirement. Another option is to use the Insights Cosmetic concealer. It also gives you a very great finishing. It's very lightweighted and works amazing. So I have given you 3 options. You can check it as per your budgets and as per your requirements. Next product that every beginner should own is a great compact. This is a Faces Canada compact. It made up of SPF 20, vitamin E and shea butter. When I started with the makeup, I owned this compact only. If you are a beginner, you can start from here. It has a mirror and a compact and works amazing. So if you're looking some of the best compacts, then you should definitely check out on this one. And another option is to check out on the Maybelline compact. It also works amazing, very lightweight. It gives you a matte finishing. So if you're looking for some of the best compacts, these are the options that you can check about. If you're looking for some of the best eyeshadows, then I would really suggest you to go with this one. It's from Swiss Beauty, and I have been using this palette since a very long time. This palette has been my personal favorite since I love Swiss Beauty products a lot. They are budget friendly and works amazing. This is the palette. It's completely a matte finishing polish, and it also has a mirror and a brush, so you can use it accordingly as per your requirement. It has all the shades from lighter shades to medium shades to darker shades. You can use this shade as your blush. You can use this one shade for contouring. So overall, this palette can be used as an eyeshadow palette, for a blush, and for contouring as well. So if you are looking some of the best palettes, then I would really suggest you to go with this one. Let me know if you want a complete review of this palette, then I'll definitely go with this one. The other products are eyeliner, kajal. It depends on you whether you are an eyeliner person or a kajal person. I'm more into eyeliner as compared to kajal. For eyeliners, you can use this Insight Cosmetics eyeliner, or you can use this Blue Heaven Kajal. Both work amazing and are very great. I have used them since a very long time and I'm very happy with the results. You can definitely check out on this kajals. You can also use Lakme Iconic eyeliner. It also works amazing and gives you a perfect stroke eyeliner. It's completely jet black, so you can also check out on this one. So if you are looking for some of the kajals, then I would really suggest it from Blue Heaven. You can use this pencil. It's Get Bold Pencil Kajal from Blue Heaven. I have been using them since a very long time and it gives you a very nice stroke in just one single apply. It's very burdery kajal. So if you're looking for some of the best kajals, then you should definitely try out this one. For the mascara, you can use this one from Swiss Beauty. It's a very good mascara, gives you a perfect finish. And I'm very happy with the results. I'm very happy with the packaging of Swiss Beauty. It's my personal favorite. You can see the stroke. It's very good, works amazing. Also, it makes your eyelashes lengthy and voluminous. So if you're looking for some of the great mascaras, you should definitely check this out from Swiss Beauty. For the lipstick, I would suggest you, it's from Swiss Beauty. It's dark brown. So if you're looking for some of the brownish shades and completely nude shades, then you should definitely check out on this one. It's completely great packaging, completely magnetic packaging. And this lipstick works on every outfit, whether it's Indian or it's Western. You can carry it on any occasion and it works really great. It can stay for up to 5 to 6 hours, the Swiss Beauty one. And it works amazing. So if you're looking for some of the best lipsticks, then you should definitely check out on this one. And if you're looking for some pinkish shades, then you should definitely check out on this one. It's from Maybelline in the shade Rosy Peach. It's completely a rosy peach color. It's very beautiful shade and it works amazing. And you can also use this pink lipstick shades as a blush over your cheeks. If you don't want to invest in blushes, then you can use lipstick also as a blush. And it's not important that you buy similar shades. Any pink shades that you're looking for will work wonders and you can just go for it. So yeah, that's all for today's video and I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. All the products that I have shown you in this video are completely my favorite and I have been using them since a very long time. So if you're a beginner and looking for some of the products, then you should definitely check out on this. So yeah, that's all for today's video and I'll definitely see you all in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay positive and take very good care of yourselves. Bye. Namaste.